Gutire mathomo megukorwo magithie na mbere thukuru-ini ciothe cia secondary na JSS bururi-ini kwambiriria muthenya wa ruciu thutha wa arutani rungu rwa kiama gia KUPPET kwanirira kuiga mirothi. Maya mokite thutha wa KUPPET na TAC kwaga kuiguithaniria maundu ngurani hindi ya mucemanio uria wahaririirio kiumia kihituku. Hindi ya mucemanio uyu ona kuhanura uguo TAC ni yaranire gukinyaniria nyongerera ya mishara ya shiringi bilioni 13.3 iria yaiguithanirio thiini wa ikereka ria keri ria ngirimiti ya mwaka wa 2021-2025 no ona kuhanura uguo arutani aya marauga maya gukorwo ni makungeirio wara kuona gutire ngirimiti o yothe mekirire kirore hindi ya mucemanio uyu.
We left there without any signing of any document. That means that even the promise of actualizing the CBA was not supposed to be case.
Kiama giki riu nikiorotete thirikari ni kwaria na mithia iri na makiria iguru rigie kwandika wira arutani 46,000 a JSS aria makoretwo magithomithia ta interns. Mateta maria macungiriirio ni miario ya minister wa kigina John Mbandi hindi ya gikaro na ceceni imwe ya TV guku bururi-ini kuria augire thirikari ndiri na mbeca cia kwandika arutani aya.
The cabinet secretary for finance having said that the recruitment of 46,000 junior secondary school teachers was just a mention by the Education Committee of Parliament.
Mimi niliona zile pesa za JSS zikiwa kwenye bajeti na zilikuwa ni bilioni 18.5, lakini sasa hivi zinatembezwa kama gari ndogo, mara unasikia ziko haziko.
Mbandi ona kuhanura uguo ni acenjetie murugamo uyu akiuga kuri na mbeca na maya mari mahitia. Miario yake igiuka thutha wa muikiriri giti wa kamiti ya budget Dede Nyoro kuhe arutania ya UUMA ati kuri na mbeca cia kumandika wira.
I need to be clear on this, that those who are saying there is money in the budget for JSS teachers are right. I am wrong, and there's nothing wrong with saying you are wrong. What I should have made very clear is that there is money in the budget for conversion of JSS teachers to permanent and pensionable from January 2025.
We budgeted for 18.7 billion shillings to confirm our JSS interns into permanent and pensionable terms. Na hiyo pesa yote iko.
Ona kuhanura uguo arutani aya maugite matiracokereria wira kinyagiariria mateta mao magathikiririo.
The teachers of this country cannot resume work. They will withhold labor and they will ensure that no learning takes place in their jurisdictions.
Teachers of Kenya, you must now keep a reasonable distance from the schools again, and don't look like or behave like or walk in a manner like to suggest you intend to go near the schools either to take tea or to mark.
Maya magithiaga na mbere atongoria a kidini ni moritie thirikari gwitikira kunanira njungwa na arutani aya niguo gucaria kihonia gutigirira mathomo matina tharara.
Nigukinyaga hindi rimwe tukahe welfare kana we fata wa githomo na mwana mbere tukahe dialogue yo ihinda ilingi nigetha andu magathi makiaragia makiria na ciana citu itigatuke interrupted.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.